folks, how you doing? And welcome to the channel. It is now 15th of December. Continuing my vlogmas. Basically I'm going to be vlogging through every day of December, at least up until Christmas Day. I'll maybe give myself a break over the Christmas period. It was a challenge given to me by my boss at work. He's given it to me as a challenge for the last 2, maybe 3 years now, and I've always accepted. Well, this might be my final one. It's always difficult to come up with content each and every day of the month, especially in winter when I'm looking outside now. Look, it is light, but it's 10 to 4 in the afternoon. The sun will be down any second. Won't be able to get on my bike. Well, I could, but there's no fun watching me riding around in pitch black. And besides that, if you'd watched yesterday's video, it's Christmas party time. If you've got a Christmas party this weekend, hope you have a good one and don't get too drunk, and hopefully you'll get out riding as well, because that is my plan this weekend. It is looking very favourable for weather, very favourable weather for cycling, which is pretty unusual for the last 8 to 12 weeks. It's been ridiculous. It's just been like raining every single weekend, so I'm making sure I get out both days, definitely Sunday. Pretty certain on Saturday. It just depends what time I drag myself out off the sofa tomorrow morning. After the Christmas party, I'm going to be crashing at someone's house, parking my van up on the drive, get up early in the morning, hopefully, fingers crossed. I'm not a teenager anymore, so I'm not going to get myself absolutely paralytic. So hopefully I'll get up like 8 o'clock, leave by 9 o'clock. That is the plan. Well, leave before 9 o'clock because I'm going to be meeting Tom Stringer. We're going to be going to he's another local vlogger here in Lincolnshire. We're going to be heading to Pickworth's plot, which is like a mountain bikey kind of park, not too far from the Giant Store in Donington. Just going to spend an hour on there. It's a bit of a mountain bike stroke gravel trail. Hopefully it's not too sloppy. Hopefully I can stay upright and not fall off and hurt myself. Because straight after that we'll be departing, and I'll be riding my bike for about 3 hours around South Lincolnshire. I showed you the route yesterday, so that's tomorrow's plan. And then again on Sunday as well, bit of a gravel ride after sleeping in the van over towards Nottingham Way. It's riding through the on the Granford Canal and bit of road and things like that, but because I'm on the gravel bike I might as well take advantage of riding off-road as well. So yeah, not enough room in the back of my van for 2 bikes and me as well, so I have to make that decision what I'm going to do. So that's my weekend, and that's all I want to share with you really. Again, if you're going out for a party this evening, hope you make the most of it, and it's a good time to chill out, relax. I was thinking to myself, this is the last Friday before Christmas, but it isn't, is it? There's another one obviously next Friday. They give it a name, don't they? I don't know what they call it, Mental Friday. So it's that last Friday before Christmas Day itself. So I don't know. I'm not cool anymore to know what they call these things. After riding the clock back of maybe 10 years, not even that, maybe 7 years, I would be looking forward to this time of year because I used to be a DJ for like 16 years. So Christmas came around, it was always ka-ching. Especially with New Year's Eve as well, because you end up like working if you've got a band on, you don't end up working much at all because you're sharing the evening, maybe do a couple hours work and earn like 300 quid, and it won't be unheard of to earn like £400 or £500 as well, just for like playing music for a couple hours around the band. Anyway, those days are long gone. Before I start going off at a complete tangent, telling about my past life, I shall leave it here. Comments, questions, head down below. What are you doing this weekend? Do let me know. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye bye. Can we just